Here is an awesome firework thing.
Yeah, we actually can see it even better from our bedroom, right?
Yeah. It's almost like a fire. Oh my gosh, it actually looks like... This is almost like a house is on fire or something like that.
Вау, красиво, да?
Awesome.
Ну ладно, все. Скажи ему, что салют. Уже спит?
Awesome. Okay, so, I don't know what's happening, but it's June 11th, 9 days until my birthday, and what is this thing for again? Like, Mom, why are they putting these fireworks again?
Потому что у дедушки день рождения.
Really? Just keep telling yourself that.
Ой, смотри, как красиво.
I know, right? It's like awesome. Red fireworks, green and pink fireworks. It's awesome. Yeah, we can see it from our house. They look like stars.
Oh, wow.
They look like stars coming right to us. It's so awesome. It looks like fire. It looks like something's blowing up.
Давай вот здесь вот подержу, а то здесь сетка, смотри, как через сетку все видно. А здесь будет, наверное, ровно. Kind of.
Epic! So that's where the music was coming from.
Да, да.
Now that actually is really good design. This is awesome. Like, it's orange at first, but then they turn into pink
Вот, смотри, смотри,
stars.
какая прям звезда.
Mom, please don't end the video.
Ну, я записываю, не беспокойся.
Okay, don't end it. Only when the fireworks end.
Окей.
Well, it's probably not gonna end right now. The best. Oh my god, I can literally see the
Да,
smoke. I can see the smoke from the fires.
А ты встань на эту штуку. Сверху. Там даже видно, как они выпускают, видишь, снизу.
Ага. Бум-бум!
Ну, какая красота.
Awesome! It's like explosions.
Летают в разные стороны, да?
What? So it only happens once a year, right? Wow, once a year. This video would be a memory.
Ну, смотри, смотри.
This video would be a memory.
Ну,
of
на
all
4th of
those.
July тоже будет красивый фаерворк.
Awesome.
Вау.
Oh yeah, Mom, remember like last year, the 4th of July, we went somewhere like, I don't know, like somewhere in Tibon like that,
Да,
I guess.
по-моему, в Саусалит мы ездили.
There was also awesome fireworks like these ones right now. I never saw fireworks in Madeira. Never. It was the first time. You can see it perfectly in our bedroom. This is like the perfect day. This is the perfect day for fireworks, you know. We graduated Russian school. Well, just one grade. We had